Types of lotus and how to use them in the textile industry. Silk, known for its luxurious feel and exquisite luster, has been a coveted fabric for centuries. Derived from the silk fibers produced by silkworms, this natural material has found its place in the textile industry, offering a wide range of options for creating elegant and high-quality fabrics. Different types of silk are utilized for various purposes, each bringing its unique characteristics and qualities to the world of textile manufacturing. One of the most well-known and widely used types of silk is mulberry silk. It is derived from the silk moth Bombyx mori and is highly regarded for its exceptional softness, durability, and natural sheen. Mulberry silk is a popular choice for a variety of fabrics, including luxurious evening gowns, delicate lingerie, and high-end bedding. Its fine texture and lustrous appearance make it ideal for creating garments that drape beautifully and exude an air of elegance. Another type of silk commonly utilized in the textile industry is tussar silk, also known as wild silk. It is produced by a variety of wild silkworms, primarily found in India. Tussar silk is renowned for its unique texture, which features a slightly rough and uneven surface. This distinctive characteristic adds a touch of rustic charm to fabrics made from tussar silk. It is often used in the creation of saris, shawls, and other traditional Indian garments, as well as in home furnishings such as curtains and upholstery. Eri silk, also known as piece silk, is another significant variety in the realm of silk fabrics. It is produced by the domesticated silkworm Philosamia ricini, which feeds on castor leaves. Eri silk is known for its thermal properties, making it an excellent choice for garments suited for colder climates. It has a soft and warm feel, often compared to wool, and is commonly used in the production of sweaters, scarves, and winter accessories. Raw silk, also referred to as noil silk, is a type of silk derived from the leftover silk fibers and short fibers that remain after the processing of other silk varieties. It has a slightly textured and nubby appearance, which adds a distinctive texture to fabrics made from raw silk. This unique quality makes it a favored choice for creating textured upholstery fabrics, rustic home decor items, and casual clothing such as shirts and dresses. Chiffon silk is a lightweight and sheer fabric that is widely used in the fashion industry for its delicate and ethereal appearance. It is characterized by its loose and flowing drape, making it perfect for creating floaty and feminine garments such as dresses, blouses, and scarves. Chiffon silk is also a popular choice for formal and evening wear due to its elegant and romantic appeal. Silk charmeuse is a luxurious and versatile silk fabric with a satin finish on one side and a matte finish on the other. It is renowned for its smooth and silky texture, which feels heavenly against the skin. Silk charmeuse is often used in the production of high-end lingerie, evening gowns, and luxurious bedding. Its ability to beautifully reflect light adds a glamorous touch to any garment or home textile. In addition to these various types of silk, there are also innovative blends and combinations that incorporate silk fibers with other materials. Silk blends, such as silk cotton, silk wool, or silk linen, combine the desirable qualities of silk with the benefits of other natural fibers. These blends offer enhanced breathability, durability, and texture,